Hey guys, how are ya? It's us four back together. We're giving Ninja
guys.
a bit of TLC.
Yeah.
He's been doing a lot of videos lately, so he's in need of some therapy. So we're got a 6-hand massage going here for the big dog outside.
Looking after him.
Finally got a bit of cloud cover removed from Melbourne skies, which is nice. So but purpose of this video is to announce something pretty special that's coming.
What's coming out?
What's coming out? Well, we've really we've organised your Christmas stocking filler this year, guys.
Christmas is sorted.
Christmas is sorted because the MMT calendar will be released ahead of 2024. So you can tell what date it is and have a geeze at the lads.
That's it.
How
What's it
good's
going to
that?
involve, Az? We're getting a photo shoot done.
Yeah, we're getting a professional photographer done who's done our photos for a long time. A good friend of Ninja's, old Tony Ryan.
Yep.
Bit of a plug for Tony.
There might be a few gym shots, might be a few in nature, maybe in the nobbies.
In the Nobby's underwear,
Our favourite
exactly.
undies.
So this guy Tony, he we might give you some editing to do here, Leo, but he actually shot what was called the Men of All Seasons back in the 1990s. So it was a photo shoot, a calendar shoot of a lot of the best looking men in the AFL, which is the Australian Rules Football League, which is what we follow here in Australia. Anyway, he shot these really cool, rugged, kind of semi-boudoir erotic shots of the blokes in nature and in the gym, and it kind of blew up, and it was eating a bit for a while. So we're kind of going back to the 90s and
MMT style.
MMT style. Tony's going to shoot similar photos of us four. So
Colour or black and white? Did they do black and white?
that was pretty black and whitey. I think there was some colour ones, but yeah, pretty black and whitey. So we'll see what we can conjure up for you, but we just wanted to announce it so you guys knew before it come out. You knew that you were.
That's what's coming.
Yeah, get that before Christmas.
We're fine-tuning. I've given up breakfast until we do the photo shoot. So
Yeah, Jay's unbelievably thinks he can look even better without any clothes on, so he's trying to show us up. So
Yeah. Maybe if you got a tan, I think that would be
yeah,
Is
he's making
Tony
up for
going to have a
glare.
barbell there? I want to do a big deadlift in there.
Yeah, I'm sure. I think he's got a pretty good gym set up, man.
Big 250, 200.
250.
200 kilo
Don't know how
deadlift.
flattering and erotic it'd be looking at a 250 get ripped up.
I look like I'm taking a big dump.
Yeah, big Boris.
What date did we have in Ninja?
Full bulldog.
Second week of November.
10th of November, I think we're going.
10th.
So
So we've got about just under
3
3
weeks.
weeks to get jacked.
yeah,
Yep.
better stop eating.
You going the other way? You got to go skinny mini.
Nah, I'm just
Skinny
gonna
mini.
keep ripping up some deadlifts, mate. Me and Ninja have been pumping hard.
So is Das. He's been pumping, not the deadlifts, but he's been doing other exercise.
He's getting his butt all plumbed out, isn't he?
Got to colonics, clean it out,
Detoxing darts.
detox.
Sober as a judge until next Friday.
Sober as a judge.
Yeah, you sobering up,
Yeah.
Das, for the calendar.
Yeah.
Except for next week.
Yeah, Jason's
He's not going to
wedding.
drink at Jason's wedding.
Well, he's got to be in some sort of state to talk. Is
Yeah, I need a few nerve settlers. Maybe just
15, a few for Das, 15 nerve settlers.
I'm just settling on nerves, lad.
Have you seen when Steve Brax was blind at the Heineken Classic back in the? You probably haven't seen it. He was in. He had to announce the winner of the big golf tournament, and it was Ernie Els. And he got up to introduce, to just
think I have
basically
seen
announce
it.
it, and he's off his guts. He's like, the winner of the Heineken Classic, Ernie Eels. he called him Eel.
I might do a Brendan Bowler, you know, he was meant to
On the red carpet?
take
Yeah,
over
yeah.
street talk on the red carpet.
Pressure point.
Denise stuffed it up, that was funny.
Steven Seagal.
Just gets absolutely blackout
Oh, I got a stiffy.
How we going, Ninja? You getting 3?
Just listen to you guys talking rubbish.
And Ninja hasn't had a look in here. He's at the roundabout.
How's your treatment going?
Oh, you're giving me the most
I'm
curry.
giving you. Sorry, I'm
Yeah,
just,
it's
He's
all right.
never realised that's what he's
Doesn't know
doing.
his own strength.
I'm just leaning into it while I'm chatting. And
Yeah, he doesn't know his own strength, this bloke.
got a bit in there though. That's why.
Yeah.
It's from all those pull-ups you must be doing.
Yeah, mate. Lots
Fucking
of pull-ups.
heaps.
What are you doing? Yeah, maybe talk us through what you guys are doing for your.
Speak to Ninja about that. He's the pull-up
What's your
king.
pull-up?
I wrote the program.
Yeah, 15
Oh.
to 6.
Yeah, that was it. So there's a 4 with gave our man over in America, Mac Hollins, in Atlanta Falcons at the moment. He's doing the same pull-up and dip program that we're doing. So we're supporting him.
Doing it together.
Doing it together. So he's doing another thing too. Whenever the Atlanta Falcons lose, he fasts on the Monday, and we've been doing that with him as well. So yeah, we're doing it like brothers support group together, doing the pull-ups. So this particular week we did 15 down to 6. So 15, 14, 13.
That's just
like
for pull-ups or
For
and
pull-ups.
dips?
And dips, yeah.
For pull-ups in one set, one session.
So you do all
minutes to
pull-ups
do it.
first and
Yeah,
then all
all-
dips.
10
Yeah,
Yeah.
so we do it for 10 minutes. So it's 10 sets. So on the minute, you do your set. So it gives you that amount of recovery.
However quickly you get the 15 done in your
Yep.
first time, you get the
Yep.
rest of the time recovery.
Yeah. So if you can't get your set out, you got to jump back up and
Keep going.
keep going. So you might have
Jesus.
to do 2 lots of 3 or something to finish off the set or something like that. So, but it's a good one.
It's definitely not for beginners though, that
Yeah.
one. Yeah,
It's pretty brutal.
If you're
So-
challenged to do it, just a couple of pull-ups.
Yeah.
You can do pull-up variations.
Yeah, we got
you
some
can do
regressions,
some
some
regressions.
negatives,
do
some
some
negatives.
down unders, yeah. Ring pull-ups even, like,
Yeah.
or
But I think-
TRX, that sort of.
I think your 1 to 10 might be something that you'd start on. You'd want to get
10
your
to
1 to
1s,
10,
yeah.
10 to 1, 1 to 10,
Yeah.
which is 55 reps. Your 15 to 6 is 105 reps. So it's 50 more reps.
Yeah, it's a
so
fair
it's
bit more.
definitely more advanced.
But you got more time. You do the 10 to 1 in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
It's generally what we can do. When you get really fit, you can do superset it with dips or push-ups. So you do 10 pull-ups, 10 push-ups or dips, and then 9 pull-ups, 9. Yeah, you can get that done in 5 minutes. You're pretty fit. Oh, Aaron! Get me.
Welcome to the party.
Welcome to the party. Thought I'd get my elbow
Someone
in.
else is giving him curry.
Darcy's just done me a little booper.
Yeah. What's another one that we do? So there's 4 different ones we do. So another one we do is
Maybe thummy.
we do 20 pull-ups, then 15, then 10 and 10. Or another one we do is you do a maximum set. So you might do 30, say, and then you do a 75% of that. So you do like 23 or 24, and then do a set of half. So you might do 2 sets of 15 pull-ups. So it's pretty tough, but yeah.
Are you doing 30 ninja in a row?
Yeah,
Gee.
yeah. So
Stuck on low 20s at the
I
moment.
think I got a
Pull-ups.
37 out, which was the best I've done for
while,
quite a
yeah.
few years.
You're aiming
Sure.
for 50, aren't you? 50 for 50?
Yeah, so that's why we're doing these sort of numbers, because I'm trying to get 50 in the next 6 months in a row. Lots of kipping.
Lots of kipping.
I've got to grow a beard, I think, to get my chin up to the bar. Big long goatee.
What happens if you don't get 50 and 50, Nick?
Oh, I don't know. I'll have
Maybe you
to
could
neck up.
peroxide your beard.
Shave your head.
Not the,
Shave
not
my
the,
head.
not the hair, the beard.
Take him to Bowler Armour and give him a shine up on the
Yeah.
China Bowl.
So what's we've got a bit of a challenge. You might see Das or Aaron with the white hair towards the end of the year. What's the date? What's the cut-off date by the Christmas party?
Christmas
isn't
party, yeah. We're gonna do the
You've got 2 challenges.
we're
now.
gonna do the obviously January 1 to the Christmas party date, and then run the sheet,
it? Yeah.
spit their information out, and see.
I'm pretty sure I did say, if we got it on video, if I do 500 more treatments throughout the year, that it doesn't count. So
Oh,
we'll have to look
I
at
don't
that
think
as
that's
well.
real fair. What do you reckon?
I don't know. I don't think you got me.
I
by
don't know,
500.
I don't know, but I did say that.
I banked my 20 every single.
Do
week.
you remember I said it?
I can't remember that.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe. All right, I'll give you a technicality, but I don't know if you got me by
Oh.
500.
Yeah, I might have
Who's
said
that,
400.
You, Das, is it?
Am I in your TFL?
Yeah, in the TFL.
Yeah. Good little
Much in that
spot.
tendon there, Ninja, too, or not much?
Yeah, it's backed off now. It sort of had a fair bit in it to start with, as most spots do when you enter into new territory.
Fresh.
But then, yeah, if you're going nice and slow, it backs off, and
Hold it.
yeah, you
Centre
allow
holds it.
Try and,
Holds it.
try and do
This
other
sun's got a
side.
bit on it.
Yeah.
It must be 27.
I reckon hotter.
Nice
I
day.
reckon nearly 30.
You reckon it's 30?
Good in the sun.
Get a little bit of a tan, get some sun
Better
on
in the
skin.
daughter.
Always coming up with jokes.
Good on you.
Oh, I like jokes.
I get jokes.
What's a game? Oh, a game.
What else?
Aaron?
Christmas parties coming up. We're
Christmas
looking forward to
party.
that. There'll be
Come
some
up with our
content
theme.
coming out. Yeah, we're
What's the theme, guys?
Old grannies and grandpas.
grandpas. Imagine
old people.
old people.
What are you thinking, Aaron? Like it's going to be hot, so I think we're going to have to wear shorts.
I'm thinking like a nightie, a gown, with big saggy boobs.
I reckon go with that.
and a wig.
Now I'll go a big old Assyrian grandpa, I reckon. That'll be good. I'll have a bag of pistachios and sunflower kernels, and I'll be fucking eating them all day. I'll get some beads to chuck around in my hands. And
What are they? You know, what is it, smush mango or something like
Sushi
that?
mango.
sushi mango.
Yeah, I don't know what the name. They kind of do a good job. I think.
mango. Yeah, Ash is going to their restaurant on Sunday night.
Yeah.
Oh, they got a restaurant, have they?
Yeah.
You can't book. You've just got to.
Yeah, they are like they hit that side of like pop culture like so spot on. If you're a
Yeah.
wog, you get that humour
It's
so
very
much.
good.
Yeah. I reckon you should.
I love it when they're eating. Is it the pistachios?
Yeah,
And they're
sunflower
just
kernels.
Sunflowers. Sunflower seeds.
At Dad's parents' house, like all the time, just sunflower kernels, and then you're just eating them, and then there's a pile of shit just on the table after you've had like a 2-hour cup of tea. It's like, fuck, they have good tea though. Like when we go there, best cups of tea ever.
Not too hot.
Lots of
Oh,
sugar.
it's just
Cold brewed.
good. It's just the tea. Like they get it from like Sydney Road in Brunswick, you know, like good
Yeah.
quality from over in Middle East and shit. It's good.
Beautiful. Yeah, they do it well. If you haven't seen Sushi Mango, check them out on Instagram.
What an inshore.
Smushed mango.
Smush mango.
Smush mango.
Ninja's just hungry thinking about some
He's
fucking
got
mango.
the smashed avocado with eggplant.
Yeah, the restaurant will be interesting. Going to that.
I was meant to head there last week, but yeah, Liv wasn't keen. So no, on the weekend I was like, let's go there, and she's like, nah, I'd rather eat in. But yeah, I want to go. I'm really keen. Apparently the food's actually really nice.
What's better than eating a mandarin?
We'll leave that one.
Let that through to the keeper.
Amanda.
Amanda hug and kiss.
Yeah.
What else, guys? Anything else?
I reckon that's nearly about it.
Jason's wedding next week. We haven't spoken about that before, so
It's been ever a topic, but it's finally going to be here. 7 days, and then never hear about it again.
it's not too late, Jace. It's not too late.
Nah, we paid the deposit, so it's too late.
Nah.
You've done your deposit.
Yeah,
Just don't
Good,
sign the
good,
papers.
good lad.
paid me deposit, Ninja.
Yeah.
Put your deposit in the bank.
Yeah.
He's deposited her.
Just a few.
Nah. Anyway, maybe wrap her up there, Dan.
Wrap it up.
What do you reckon?
Well,
If you enjoy our content, guys, make sure you do like, subscribe. You'll get alerts for more
Look out
video.
for the calendar.
Calendar.
Calendar will be coming. We'll
We're
make
doing
sure
posts about it.
we send out some invites for that or emails. And yeah, thanks for watching. We enjoy it. See you next time.
Thanks, guys.
Done.